in terms of sex education, sometimes taking breaks can actually lead to more pleasure access. And so that's what I'm doing right now. Taking a little break, and then there might just be even more pleasure after the pause. Sometimes you need to take a break. That's okay. Everybody has a right and a responsibility to hold space for breaks, for ourselves and for each other. If it isn't a fuck yes, then take a break. Or stop. Or don't, okay. So stop. And then if you want to start again, if it is a fuck yes, then fuck yes. And if not, then fuck no. So is it a fuck yes or is it a fuck no? For everybody involved, everybody needs to be fuck yes for enthusiastic consent, which is what I'm really excited about, because there's something, it gets complicated when people aren't a fuck yes. And I think we each have our own relationships to fucking and to saying fuck yes, or to saying whatever it is that we say and however we feel, but I wouldn't want somebody to say yes out of some sort of sense of obligation or a sense of pressure. And so that's why I would lean towards the fuck no if it isn't a fuck yes. You wanna have a fuck yes or a fuck no, or maybe have a burrito or some fruit, or maybe dessert? There's no right or wrong answer. I want us to nourish ourselves, and there are so many ways that we can do that. Some fresh air, some quiet time, some nourishing music, some watercolor painting. This is your adventure. What do you choose? That sounds awesome. I'm cheering for you. I believe in you. Whoa. Well, that was a much bigger release than what I was expecting. Well, maybe not. I love this. Thank you for sharing these moments with me. That was a very funny moment for me. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm guessing you didn't enjoy it as much as I did, but yeah. This can be another opportunity to check in with ourselves and how we want to experience this moment, honor this moment. And there are infinite ways that we can honor this moment.